Hi everyone, my name is Rosie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited to present to you my very first video on YouTube, which also happens to be my first giveaway. So what we are going to do is on this video, I'll be showing you how I've turned an old dummy into a luxury sculpture for a lamp, and I'll take you down to the entire process, start from scratch till the end of the final product, and one of you will be lucky to walk away with this gorgeous piece of art to your home. So I'll tell you all about that just in a bit. If you want to know how, please stick around till the end of this video. So I've started from here, and this is how it was when I just removed it from the box. And that is the stand over there, but I'm not going to use it. Instead, I'll prepare another one that will fit with the project I'm planning to achieve. And this is how it looks when all the parts comes together. I actually got this dummy as a second hand and it has some marks and stains that I was unable to get rid of. Actually, she looks like she went through a lot in this life, guys. But anyway, that's okay because we are just about to give her a complete makeover and transform her into a fancy and luxury piece of art. So first thing, I'm going to start with the arms, and as you can see, her palms are facing downwards. And for my project, I want to flip it upwards so that it can be able to hold one of my bulb shades. And in order to do, the next process is going to be cabling, and for that, I'll have to make some holes on the body for the wires to pass through. These items are easily available in the markets, guys, so you can just get one and make some artwork to decor your homes, or you can even prepare like these ones and put them in the market for sale, and you can make some serious income, guys. Or if art is not your thing, you can even share this video to people who can use this idea for a business or a home decor purpose. I actually posted this video a month ago, and I had to take it down and upload it all over again because there was some music I've used on that video that raised a copyright claim. So in order to fix that, I had to do the video editing all over again. So if you are watching this video for the second time, this is the reason, and I truly want to apologize, and I'll make sure next time this kind of problem won't happen again. And also on the previous video, I listed this item for sale, but this time I changed my mind and I decided to give it to one of you guys in order to promote my channel, and I'll continuously give away free offers on the 23rd of each and every month. And the rules are very simple and easy that anyone can participate. So all you have to do is share this video to 50 people through WhatsApp. Not 5, not 15, 50 people, guys. 5 and 0. I don't think it's that much. 50 people only through WhatsApp, not through Facebook, email, or any other social media platforms, only on WhatsApp. And once you are done sharing this video, leave a comment on the comment section down below and tell me the reason why you should be the one to walk away with this gorgeous lady here. And I don't want to restrict you with your comments, guys. You can basically talk about anything. You can tell jokes that can entertain other viewers in order to get the highest likes. But still, at the same time, please, guys, remember to leave comments respectful and follow the YouTube community guidelines. And I'll continue telling you more about this, so keep on watching. And now I'm gonna go ahead and build my stand. And for this project, I'm using a cardboard. I like using this cardboard for almost all my projects because it has a double layer and it's very, very strong. So if you are doing a project that requires cardboard, I truly recommend this one. And for those of you who live in Nairobi, Kenya, you can also this cardboard in Kikomba markets and they are very affordable. So first, I'm going to start by drawing the shape I've planned for my stand. And there's no measurements needed here, so I'm just going to do a rough sketch. And once I finish drawing and cut out my first piece, I'm going to use it as a stencil to draw another one, but this time just a little bit bigger than the first. So I've prepared few pieces and all of them are one size bigger than the next. And now I'm just going to arrange them in the right sequence according to the size and glue them down with a hot glue gun. So in this project, I've spent so much time working on the stand, and the reason I've done that is because it has to come out firm and strong. And I want to show you guys everything I've done, the entire process. You know, if it's not strong, it's not going to last longer because that's the one that's going to carry all the weight and everything that's going to be put on it. So it has to come out firm and strong. So I've prepared a towel and an old towel and cut it into pieces. And also here I've prepared a cement and a glue mixture. I'll just go ahead and dip them in the mixture, soak them evenly, and seal all the sides of my stand. And now I'll be applying glue on the base of my stand. This is actually a wood glue, it's called Ponol. This is what I mostly use for almost all my projects because this is the best glue I've ever come up with so far. So I'll just apply it evenly with a brush, place my MDF on top and screw it down with a screw. And here I'm preparing a mixture of cement, gypsum powder and glue, some Ponol glue. I'll just add some water and mix it well till it forms a paste. And I'll use it to fill the cracks and the openings in my stand. So once I'm done, I'll let it aside to dry for about 2 days. joints, I've used the PVC glue and the super glue together. So in order to achieve a permanent guarantee, I just applied all over and stick it together. And basically this is like the same technique I've used to stick all the joints. So now it's time to make her hair, and this is the hairpiece I wanted to use. It doesn't matter what color it is because by the end of the day, it's going to be covered with cement and applied another color on. So basically what I'm going to do is I'll just braid it. I'll braid it up first and I'll stick it on her head with a hot glue gun. And here I've removed the ones I attached at the back and brought it to the front because the hairpiece I've prepared wasn't enough. I actually underestimated the size of her head, but anyway, that's okay. I sorted it out. I sorted it out in a way that is easier for me to work on. And here I'm applying cement and a glue mixture on her hair, just like the way color or relaxer is applied. I'll just take portion by portion and saturate it very well so that it will dry hard and firm. And basically this is like salon work, and the only difference is that I'm using cement here instead of color or relaxer. But when it comes to making and styling, it's actually the same thing. So guys, she's in the salon getting her hair done for her big day. So as this lady getting her hair done, let's talk about business, guys. So like I said earlier, all you have to do is share this video to 50 people through WhatsApp and leave a comment on a comment section at the same time. You can get creative on your comments to get as many likes as you can, or you can also invite friends or families to increase the number of likes on your comments. And also the other major important thing is that the day you left a comment here should also be the same date that you shared this video. Make sure these two dates matches, guys. So if you happen to be the winner the day you'll come to pick up this item, I'll also require you to come with your phone and I'll cross check whether you fulfilled this list I've mentioned. If not, I'll simply go to the next person with the highest likes of their comments. So the hair is all dried up and I'm just going to give her a final touch up on her eyes and eyebrows. And I also want to apply some cement in her eyes, and the reason why I want to do that is that I want to give her more of a sculpture or a statue look at the end. And here I'm preparing my bulb shapes, and for this project I'm going to be using a balloon. You can inflate the balloon big or small according to the size you are planning to achieve. So I'll just go ahead and draw some random shape on the balloon just before I start applying my cement. So as you can see, the rules are very simple and easy that anyone can participate on these, guys. And I decided to set up the rules like this so that you'll all know that it was fair and squared and I've not favored anyone, guys. So on the 23rd of November, someone will walk away with this item and that someone could be you. And it all depends on the number of likes you get on your comments, guys. But still at the same time, it just doesn't matter how many. It can be 5, it can be 10, 20, 30. It just doesn't matter, guys. As long as that is the highest, you'll be the winner. So you never know. Don't be discouraged. Try your luck. You never know. You might be the one to walk away with this item. And now it's time to dress up. So I'll just use a piece of cloth and dip it in a cement mixture. And I'll just wrap it up on her just below the waist. And I'll work on it until I get the pattern I wanted. And this part is really messy, guys. It's really, really messy and it's not even fun to make. But we have to go through this in order to get the final product. Now it's been 3 days and it's completely dry. So I'll just use a sandpaper to scrub off the rough edges and the cement drips from the dress. And here are the paints that I'm going to be applying on her. This is black matte crown paint. And this is acrylic paint, Winsor and Newton Galleria. This is going to be for her body. And the other one is a spray paint, a golden spray paint. And here I'll start by applying the black paint. I'll be applying it on a dress, on the shades, the stand, and also on her hair. I'll just give it some time to dry. I'll wait for it for a while and I'll go ahead and start painting her body. And the one mistake I've done here is that I forgot to cover my floors and the black paint was just all over the place and I ended up having a headache cleaning up all the mess I've made. When you work on a project that can get as messy as this, please remember to cover your floors as it will save you later on from a stress of another work. And here the black paint is completely dry, so I went ahead and spray painted the inside of my bulb shades. And now it's time to start painting her body. So this is an acrylic paint, it's called Winsor & Newton Galleria. If you prefer using an acrylic paint, this is what I recommend, whether you are applying it on a canvas, wall art, wood, anywhere, it won't let you down. It's just an incredible paint and I love using it. So here, once I'm done painting the body parts, I will highlight the edges of the bulb shades, her hair and also her dress with the golden spray paint. I'll just spray it on a sponge and apply in the places I want to highlight in. And here I have a machine. This is what I normally use when it comes to making cards. But this time around for this project, I'm going to be using it to cut out some of the designs that I'm going to be using to decor her body. And these are die cuts, and I'll just select some flowers, some leaves, maybe some butterflies, and I'll show you how the entire process will be like. So once again, all you have to do is share this video to 50 people through WhatsApp and leave a comment on the same day. So guys, like I've said earlier, you can talk about anything on your comments, you can tell jokes, anything that can help you to get the highest likes. And at the same time, please remember to leave comments respectful and follow the YouTube community guidelines. So on the 23rd of November, one person will walk away with this item. And definitely guys, that is the person who got the highest likes on their comments. So I wish you guys all the best, and I will announce the winner on the 20th of November through the comment section, and I'll also let you know the time and the place to collect this art piece. Dry, so let's go ahead and make some artwork on our body, and this is the time we should get creative, guys. I'm hoping you are enjoying this video, guys, and don't forget to share and leave a comment at the same time. Make sure they are on the same date. I'll simply give this item to one of you on the 23rd of November. You can use it to decor your homes, or you can even list it for sale. Actually guys, this item is worth more than 100,000 Kenya shillings, so there's no joke, guys. Like, this is like a fortune, a real fortune, guys. And like I've said earlier, I'll continuously give away free offers on the 23rd of each and every month. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first one to see. And the one thing I would like to say is that participate on this only if you are currently in Nairobi, Kenya, or if you have someone you can represent to pick this item for you. Otherwise, I don't do transportation services if you are staying outside Nairobi, or do shipping abroad only if you are able to pick this item by yourself, or if you can represent someone to do it for you. And here I want to show you what I did for the inside of the bulb shades. Just look how pretty it looks. This is the light I selected because it's flat and round and I just found it easy to work on. You can just leave it as it is, or you can decorate the inside of the bulb shades with some rose petals, with decorative stones, or even with some candles just to brighten it up a little bit. You can just play around with it in any way you like. And here is our final product. I'm super excited about how she turned out. This is like a mind blowing transformation, guys. Look how gorgeous she looks. Look at the detail in her hair, in her body. It's simply amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button. And like I've said earlier, this is my very first video on YouTube. So, guys, please give me a warm welcome by subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification button so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first one to see. Thank you so much for making it till the end of this video, and I'll see you guys next time with another creative DIY videos. Until then, keep safe. Bye bye.